Welcome back to Maris Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you in how to set up TLS Tunnel VPN in all countries for a secure and fast connection. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let me start up today's tutorial by opening the Google Play Store. I'm going to download the VPN application from the Google Play Store, which is I'm going to be downloading two applications. The first one I'm going to be downloading TLS VPN, and the second one I'll be downloading that one that will be helping us. That is the TLS Tunnel VPN application, which one I'm going to be downloading, and then after downloading it, I'm going to download this application first, and then after you're going to be downloading the second one. For those who missed yesterday, we were connecting many of the subscribers here. You can be checking the comment section because many subscribers are connected. They are appreciating. So those who appreciate and come back to the comment section, we are happy for you. So keep that spirit, keep following Maris Tech. We promise to connect all of you guys. That is the application you're going to be downloading. It is like this. It will be helping us as I'll be showing you. So we're going to be doing this. Open the application. No, let us first go back to our home screen, and then we open the CoffeeNet application the TLS application we downloaded. This is the application. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to visit this one, that one up, and then I press that tick. This is what you're going to be doing next. The application will be looking like this, but this is a note that this tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only. We are not reliable to what the users will access. So users are using this application at their own risk. So they are requested to comply with the community guidelines. Users are requested to follow the local laws. Also, users are requested to read their network service providers terms and conditions before continuing with this tutorial. And users are also requested to also view the laws that govern the country, whether this application is allowed or not. According to the Computer Misuse Act, you must be knowing those laws before using these types of applications. Let us now continue. Hope we are now at par. Let's continue. You're going to go to the application, which is CoffeeNet, right there, and then you're going to open that application. This is what you're going to be doing. We have the SNI generator, this one, and then you're going to be pressing that application. You're going to search a country. For example, in today's tutorial, let me use Kenya as an example. We're going to be copying up. Let me copy up this one as the SSL. Now let us return to the TLS Tunnel VPN application, and then you're going to be choosing. You're going to go where there is a pencil icon right there. You're going to come right here where we have default method, and then you're going to come right here where you have the custom method, and then after you're going to use the SNI host. In this tutorial, you're going to just come right here where we have the SNI host, and then we paste. That is the host we have pasted. Now after you're going to come, hope you are following. You're going to come right there. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. Make sure that you are connected, because our goal is to connect borders to borders, provided they know the cause, they know all the information that is needed. Now it will be working in all countries and on all networks. Just choose your country in the SNI generator of CoffNet, and then you'll be choosing your network, and then you'll be connected. After, we are going to come where we have the start button, and then we connect the application. Let us go to the logs and we see. I'm here right at the logs. As you see, it has connected successfully, authenticated, and we have time left 46 minutes, and you see the VPN application is working, successfully connected. Thank you guys for following. I remain Tech, and for more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to be dropping more of this. If you appreciate our work, feel free to like the video, and if you get any problem, the comment section is open. I sign out.